Hello everyone, this is me Jaya and welcome to my channel J Studio. I wanted to do a different video this time. I have tried and shot and taken pictures of what I wore last week to my office. These are all Indian ethnic wear ideas which you can easily wear to office. All curvy women are going to be very comfortable in these, so don't you worry about that. So without much talking now, let's take you straight to the video.
You'll be alright. You'll be alright.
So there were some easy breezy summer options for office wear. So that was my 1 week. Do let me know if you would like to see more of these kind of videos. I have really worked hard for this video. Please do press the like button if you like this video and do consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. So see you soon again. Bye bye.